Hey! Look how mad she is. So I've been horrible, but welcome to Utah. We got home about a week and a half ago from New Zealand, and now we're gonna be here until about the first week of January before we head back to the boat. So just here for the holidays. It's so amazing, but we've gotten carried away. Apparently, we need a dirt bike track. We're gonna build a dirt bike track down in this area, and then we're getting everything approved and stuff to build a house up in here. Look at this view. It's so cool. Anyway, this week we're gonna head down to the Grand Canyon. We have my parents and some friends coming with us. We're gonna stay at Barton Ranch. It's been raining, so it's gonna be a super muddy, fun drive. And then we're going to next week's Thanksgiving, so we'll be heading up north for that. So we're excited to be in the area. Utah is just the most amazing place. We certainly love it. If anybody that follows along with us is ever here, let us know. We'd love to link up, especially down here in southern Utah. It's one of the most incredible places on the earth. Wow! Well, we got day 2 of all of our work. So cool. We have so many awesome neighbors. Everybody's pitching in to help. Okay, the time has come. We're heading to the Grand Canyon, Barton Ranch. It's like 70 miles from here, and most of it's dirt roads, so we are excited, right? Yep. It should be fun. We're a bunch of people from our church congregation are coming with us, so there's like four families that are coming, so it should be a lot of fun. Taking the side-by-side, Emerson's driving it, and the Jeep in the truck. So I don't know if I've made a video about this yet, but we built this truck. There's so much awesome off-roading out here. A lot of cool desert roads and a lot of obviously it's not a rock crawler, but we put the Carly suspension on it. Carly it rubs a little bit in the front, the tires, so that's annoying. Still need to work on that, but in general it's incredible. It drives like a Cadillac off-road. Dixie 4-wheel drive built our Jeep, and Sound Mountain Off-Road did our truck. Both are awesome companies, but there's a few other awesome ones down here in Hurricane and St. George. And then UTV Pros built this for us. All right, we just got here. Took us probably 2 hours, I think, once we got on the, let's see, yeah, about 2 hours. Anyway, such a cool place. I got power in my hands, so catch me if you can. I got peace of mind and no more room for the smell of Satan. Well, we had an awesome dinner. Here's our little place. It's awesome. They have AC units, heat units. Right now, heat. Yeah, cool. And bunk beds. It is chilly.
Look how cozy.
Cozy wagon.
I know, I love it in here.
So they have, my parents are in one that just has like a king size bed and a little chair or something. And then they have a few of these that have the big bed and
one bunk bed and then the table
yeah.
chairs.
Oh, really? Anyway, we've had such a lovely day. They do such a good job here entertaining everybody. Well, I just woke up. It's like 7:45. It's so beautiful. It's pretty cloudy, so we didn't get to see the stars last night, but it's amazing. We are so blessed to live, one, in this amazing country that we live in, and for the freedoms that we have. And anyway, I just so grateful for my family, and yeah, I'm a lucky guy. I just sent up the drone, and such a beautiful video, this whole area. It's awesome. I was just sitting here looking at all these wagon wheels, and can you imagine the stories if you could sit down with the owners of each one of these wagon wheels that they could share. Man, we live in such a privileged time of life with so much that's easy and simple, and the ease of getting whatever we need. Yet all these things have just complicated life in so many ways and made life not what it should be. Life should be simple. Life should be peaceful. And it's so easy to pile so much stuff up in our lives to just make it crazy and hectic. And one thing I learned in all of Polynesia, but mainly in Vanuatu, was I say hurry all the time to my family, and I've just learned that that's such a horrible word. I was gonna see if it's a four-letter word. We'll call it a four-letter word, because hurry is such a horrible thing. There's no reason to hurry our families, you know. It's I love Elder Uchtdorf's quote, "We'd all be wise to slow down a little," and I think I've lost that in so many different aspects of my life. And so here's me in my midlife crisis, trying to find the right balance of slowing down a little and finding that peace. Look at this. I think we came from just right up there. Well, thanks for hanging out with us. We had so much fun down at the Grand Canyon. We got one flat tire, so it was a success. Everything's all muddy. We've been spraying everything off for the last 2 days, but anyway, we are gonna wrap this video up. This week's Thanksgiving week, kids, so we're gonna go up north with family and enjoy Thanksgiving up there, and then be back. And we have anyway, some fun stuff planned for this weekend and next week. So thanks for hanging out with us.